Welcome to this tutorial on tips for TD Bank mobile banking. As a TD Bank customer, you can manage your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds on the go using the TD Bank mobile banking app. To get started, first download and install the TD Bank mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have installed the app, open it and log in using your TD Bank username and password. If you are a new user, you can enroll in mobile banking by clicking on the Enroll Now button and following the prompts. You will need to have your account information and social security number ready to complete the enrollment process. One of the key features of the TD Bank mobile banking app is the ability to view your account balances and transaction history. To do this, simply log into the app and select the account you want to view from the account dashboard. You can also use the app to pay bills, transfer funds, and deposit checks remotely. To pay a bill, select the Pay Bills option from the menu and enter the payee information, payment amount, and payment date. You can also set up recurring payments and view your payment history. To transfer funds, select the Transfer Funds option and enter the amount you want to transfer in the account you want to transfer it to. Another useful feature of the TD Bank mobile banking app is the ability to deposit checks remotely. To do this, select the Deposit Check option from the menu and follow the prompts to take a picture of the check and enter the check amount. The check will be deposited into your account and you will receive a confirmation email. In addition to these features, the TD Bank mobile banking app also offers a number of security features to help protect your accounts. These include two-factor authentication, encryption, and secure login. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of suspicious activity or low account balances. To get the most out of the TD Bank mobile banking app, we recommend that you use a secure internet connection. Keep your device and app up to date, and monitor your accounts regularly. You should also be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your accounts. By following these tips and using the TD Bank mobile banking app, you can easily and securely manage your TD Bank accounts on the go. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure, and never share them with anyone. If you have any questions or need help with the app, you can contact TD Bank customer service for assistance.